Every second, your body is fighting a silent war. Millions of immune cells and repair mechanisms work continuously to protect you from infections, damaged cells, and deadly diseases. In fact, your body destroys abnormal cells every single day before they can become dangerous. So then, have you ever wondered why people still develop diseases like cancer? According to recent 2026 reports from the World Health Organization and the International Agency for Research on Cancer, more than 53 million people worldwide are living within 5 years of a cancer diagnosis. Every year, nearly 20 million new cancer cases are discovered and around 10 million lives are lost to the disease. But cancer doesn't appear overnight. So, what really happens inside the body when a normal cell becomes a cancer cell? Let's step inside the microscopic world of human cells and witness the moment where everything begins. All right, people, good morning, cells. Special emergency meeting. Apparently, our human watched TV till 3 a.m. like it was the Super Bowl. So today's workload is 1 billion watts of energy because his zombie body needs power to pretend he's alive at work. Replace old cells. Especially in the hand, half of cells quit after last night's fight.
Bro, he swung like he was Captain America and ended up sliced like a tomato.
Speaking of the slice, germs already lined up outside the cut like it's Black Friday.
Yes, calm down.
We are on it. We'll patch that cut before germs start an event.
Boss, we have a problem. Someone is producing way too many cells.
How many?
Like 2 billion and counting.
Bro, what? We only need 500 million. Hey, according to your rulebook, you multiply once, maybe twice. Why are you cloning like a discount photocopier?
Let me check the rule book.
I have the rules. Chapter 1, section. Error, error, error. Bro, I can't read my own letters.
Oh no, DNA glitch.
Wait, so I don't know the rules?
You barely knew them before, but now it's official.
So, I keep dividing.
No, yeah, sure, whatever.
Oh great, a malfunctioning rulebook. What next?
Move aside, I'm checking the damage.
Give me possible causes. Rapid fire.
Could be normal copying errors. UV radiation because he walked in the sun thinking sunscreen is a scam. Smoking chemicals from his friend's party. Stress hormones after that breakup. Junk food inflammation. Viral infections. Or, my favorite, aging.
Pick the top 2.
Stress plus junk food. Classic combo.
Yeah, he literally ate fries at 1 a.m. while crying. I felt the tears.
Boss? Bad news. 3 things are broken. First, oncogene, which is stuck in overdrive. Second, tumor suppressor gene is dead. Third, DNA repair gene is missing.
So he's unstoppable, unpunishable, and unrepairable?
Basically, yes.
Hey guys, I feel alive. Let's divide for no reason. Whoa!
Oh crap. He's becoming pre-cancerous.
Dude, I don't listen to stop signals anymore. I know, right? Yesterday, apoptosis tried to kill me and I said, nope. I'm hoarding glucose like it's Bitcoin. Same. I change my metabolism so fast, even keto influencers are jealous. Guys, let's upgrade our neighborhood.
Yo, who ordered new blood vessels? We're building a highway of nutrients straight to your hood.
Let's go! Infinite snacks!
All right, who's acting sus?
Hola, we are normal cells from, Normalville?
Bro, you don't even have a nucleus anymore.
It's a fashion statement.
Hello, losers. I am the upgrade you never asked for.
Oh, hell no. Gah, I'm blind. Bro, what did you throw?
Just a little molecule called I'm invisible, now deal with it. Soldiers, today we make our own government. Rules, we grow non-stop. We invade neighbors. We steal resources. We spread whenever we want.
Yes, sir! Oh, fantastic! A whole colony of idiots! Guys, cancer doesn't begin loud. It starts with one rogue cell. Then your lifestyle decides if it grows or dies.
Eat right, sleep right, chill out, and please, I'm tired of fixing French fry-related damage.
Exercise 2. I fight better when you are not gasping after 2 steps.
And that is how a normal cell becomes a troublemaker, and eventually a full-blown villain. Hey, should I divide again?
No! Thanks for watching. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want more, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay awesome. See you in the next video.